Module 1, Introduction to Branding and Business Identity. Module 1 is a comprehensive foundation that introduces you to the concepts, principles, and strategic importance of branding and business identity. This module delves deeply into the theoretical, practical, and psychological aspects of branding, helping you understand why a strong brand is a business's most valuable asset. Branding is not just a logo, color scheme, or catchy tagline. It is the totality of perceptions, experiences, and emotional connections that customers and stakeholders associate with a business. A business identity, on the other hand, is the tangible and intangible representation of a brand, including visual elements, communication style, values, and organizational culture. 1. Understanding branding and business identity definition of a brand. A brand is a promise, perception, and set of associations that distinguishes a product, service, or organization from competitors. Definition of business identity: the tangible and intangible representation of a brand, including visual elements, messaging, and organizational culture. The difference between brand and branding. Brand, what your customers perceive. Branding, the strategic process of shaping and communicating that perception. The role of branding in business success: building trust, recognition, loyalty, and competitive advantage. 2. The evolution of branding. Early trademarks, artisanal symbols, and the first forms of branding in history. Branding in the industrial age, mass production, and corporate identity. The modern era of branding, digital presence, emotional connection, and experience-based branding. Trends shaping branding today: sustainability, authenticity, personal branding, and storytelling. 3 components of business identity: visual identity, logo, typography, color schemes, packaging, and imagery; verbal identity, brand voice, messaging, slogans, taglines, and tone; experiential identity, customer experience, interaction touchpoints, service quality, and environmental design; internal identity, culture, employee engagement, and alignment with brand values. 4. The psychology of branding. How consumers perceive and emotionally respond to brands. The role of trust, credibility, and familiarity in brand loyalty. How consistency in messaging and visuals strengthens memory and recognition. 5. The strategic importance of branding. Creating competitive differentiation in saturated markets. Enhancing customer retention, engagement, and lifetime value. Building brand equity, which adds tangible and intangible value to the business. Supporting marketing campaigns, partnerships, and business expansion. 6 case studies and examples. Real-world analysis of iconic brands: Apple, Nike, Coca-Cola, and local businesses. Examples of successful versus failed branding strategies, lessons learned from branding missteps and rebranding efforts.